Silver delivered a massive swing last week. First, it has breached the critical resistance at 3150, moved towards the next milestone at 3240, and since then it has erased all the gains and has closed the week in red towards 3050 levels. Massive swing it was. What to expect from silver in the coming week? Can we expect a rise or it is going to drop here? It is going to trade below 32, move towards 28. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review and I do share my twice a day updates for silver with logical levels and profit strategy. Do watch both. Do subscribe, press the bell icon, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do share, subscribe and comment as well. Let's start. First, look at the weekly charts. I can see slightly higher bases are getting created. If you just connect it here, you will find now 30 and 29.50 are the levels which it need to break. Now see, we have seen a bit of consolidation here. And once it trades below 29.50, we can say we are looking forward to a greater down move in silver, which can take it towards the next base. And the next base appears to be somewhere here at around 28.50, $28 levels. Possibility is there, but right now I will say it is too early to conclude, as if you connect this you will find it is still staying in this bullish channel. Very important for gold, for silver to trade below 30 and 29.50 levels. That will confirm the further down move here. If you look at the movement in silver for the last few years, you'll find rise, retracement, consolidation, and then the rise. Now here also rise, retracement or consolidation, rise. Now bigger rise calls for a bigger retracement. The support levels here are towards 26 levels. So this is something you should keep an eye on. Let's also turn on the indicators. You can find out, see, 20 period moving average was giving it a support so far, and it is still being the support. Just let it trade below these critical levels, that is 30 and 29.50. If these two are taken, stay short for 29 and then 28. Below 28 is where the major bearishness will be seen. In fact, you can look forward to 26.60 and 25 levels in the near future. When I say near future, means 3 to 6 months down the lane. Moving averages here are bullish. Stochastic at bottom. Now see, on the weekly charts, the MACD has crossed over here and it is trading with divergence and bearishness. What is here happened here? Double top and then the bearishness prevailed. Almost slightly lower highs, and now it is trying to trade bearish, and it can sustain this momentum for a while. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to now, this is important on the daily charts. The moving average is crossed over here. This is a bearish cross. What has happened last week? See, it has breached the critical resistance at 3150. This was the most critical level which we were looking forward to. What has happened? It has breached this. It has moved towards 3250, failing to stay above 3240.50. We have seen it reversing sharp. Now, it is important to note the support levels here at 30 and 29.50. It has formed a double bottom. It has formed a solid base at 30. So this is the zone which is going to remain the most critical zone for silver in the coming. That is the first part. Next part is, look at this. It was trading bullish. It has come out of this channel. Remember, this is the first and this is the second bearish candle in succession. And now it has come down to a crucial zone. So a possibility exists that it may start the week on a bearish note and the third successive bearish candle may prevail. Keep an eye on this. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped sharp. The MACD, interestingly, has tried to converge, not yet crossed over though, but yes, it is trying to converge and crossover for sell. Let's watch out if it can deliver this crossover, rise, retracement. Now see, double bottom is formed and silver has lot much of scope here on the daily charts on the upside. So, and that is why I say it is still not to be treated bearish as long as 29.50 levels are not taken. RSI looking downwards, that is another sign of bearishness. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts, the crossover here is very important. This is a bearish cross and this is happening after this bullish reversal earlier this week, and now it has come down towards the lower levels. Interestingly, after delivering few bearish candles, it is trying to bounce back towards the end of this. So now for the coming week, again 3120, 3150 is the zone which you should watch out for. Is it possible for it to retrace towards this zone? Possibility is there that silver may try to come back towards 3120, 3150 before reversing. This possibility you should not ignore, as we can see a little pullback was seen towards the end of the last session. Now also notice the support zone here is critical towards 31, which is going to become the resistance now. 31, 31, 20 levels, and then 31, 40, 50. Only and only if these two levels are taken, you can say now the bulls are back and you can look forward to a rise. Why a rise? Look at this higher highs, and if it crosses over this time, it can deliver further highs towards 32.80, $33 levels here. So this is something you should keep an eye on. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is trading with divergence. It is staying bearish. It is traded with too much of divergence. Chance for it to converge exists, which means a possible retracement on the upside exists strong. RSI is at bottom here. Coming to the month. Now my only worry point is towards the monthly charts rise, consolidation rise, and now when you see the preceding candle, which is a bearish candle, and the current one, what it has done with the current one, it has already achieved lower highs. Now this increases the possibility of a massive reversal here. Massive reversal means a possibility of a move towards 28, 27, and 26 levels in the month of December itself. When you look at the formation rise, retracement, so it appears that it is willing to retrace at least towards 29 or 28 zone. But here the first critical zone is at 30 and then 29.50, 29.70. If these two levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to 29, 28.40 and 28 levels very soon. Yes, the moving averages here are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Look at the MACD. MACD is almost flat. It is right now looking downwards, but oh sorry, stochastic looking downwards. Look at the MACD, and on the MACD, see, it is trading with divergence. It has stayed bullish for multiple months, and now it is increasing the chances for a bit of conversion. Now, bit of conversion means, in fact, the curve converges and not crosses over. Despite that, the prices might try to stay bearish, which means it can take the silver price towards 25 to $26 levels very soon in the near future. RSI has dropped as now. Considering this, we have already seen all the charts and the time frames and the indicators as well. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And now, see, we have seen the charts, and though we have seen bullish momentum towards the entire week, but the last couple of sessions where it is the gains becomes critical for now. And that is why the stance has changed to moderately bearish. It is not yet bearish, it is not yet completely crossed over, it is not on sell still, as long as 29.50, 29.40 zone is not taken. Very clear here. Now looking at this, first let's talk about the levels. Now you must be thinking, why levels to buy when you know that, when you can see that the charts are speaking slightly bearish language. But remember, every coin has two sides. You cannot ignore the other side of the coin. The stance may be bearish, but it is just to trap you. The markets can reverse any point of time. Markets may rise any point of time here, and that is why the buying levels are here to stay. And this is why I say, if you see silver trading below 30.70, buy here, and expect 30.95 and 31.20. If this is taken, then 31.40, 50 should appear. This is the most critical one, because once it breaks beyond this, chances will be high that we are looking forward to 32, 32, 40, 50, and if it breaks, then 32.85, $33 levels. So this is the most critical zone. Any move beyond this should take silver towards 35. Be mindful of this. I do not see that happening though, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the down, take a selling entry at 30.40 levels itself, expect 30.20. Very important. 2995 the next, 2980 the third, and then 295040. If silver at any point of time trades below 295040, Stay short for what? Stay short for $29 levels. Below this, chances will be high that we may see 28.40 and then $28 levels here in the coming week itself. Be mindful of this. Once it trades below 30 and 29.50.40, the chances will be very, 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 very high that silver can in fact trade below 28 as well, where 27.2 $25 are the targets very, 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 very soon. If not in the coming week and if not in the next few weeks, it is possible in the near term. Near term means 3 to 6 months down the lane. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and happy weekend. Thank you.